Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how you can get an invitation to Robinhood Banking. Robinhood Banking features high-yield checking and savings accounts, but access is rolled out gradually through an early access waitlist. To secure your invitation, the first step is to open an active individual investing account with Robinhood and ensure your account is in good standing. Having an established brokerage profile is the baseline requirement for getting system priority. Next, navigate directly inside your Robinhood mobile app. Locate the banking or cash section where early access or waitlists are hosted and submit your request to join. Because Robinhood structures this rollout in phases, maintaining an active profile, keeping your app updated to the latest version, and holding a Robinhood Gold membership can heavily influence how quickly you receive your notification. Once your spot clears the queue, you will receive an official email and an in-app alert containing your secure link to complete onboarding and activate your features. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.